Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for spotting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet top design. So don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. These free patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginners and makers. The design for crochet every day. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. You know guys, different people I have different choice and they love different color. Some people have dark color, some people have light color and some people have bright color. So friend, this video you will see different color and different decent and different unique design. You can make your own crochet or top design with using these ideas. The crochet top patterns are designed with simple stitches, so this pattern should work up fast. Most of the pattern below use simple beginner friendly stitches like the single crochet stitch, which means they are almost easy to crochet. I hope you enjoy this collection for crochet top patterns. These crochet top patterns are having to all fabulous design from easy. A crochet top can be as simple or elaborate as you want. All tops have this common design for used. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on a get their shine more and more. These colorful patterns used on your party function and everyday patterns. You crochet top looking are so beautiful and unique. So here this sweet idea for creating this top winning design of using custom color and shaded turn crochet pattern design. This is the pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family member. So friends, be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.